Hey y'all, welcome back. So I received a few questions about making longer lock extensions and how many packs of hair would be needed. Currently on my site I only offer the 10-inch bulk kinky hair, but I will demonstrate how to make longer length of extensions using the 10-inch hair. It's pretty much the same method, but you're just stretching the hair out more. Or if you feel more comfortable just making the smaller ones, and then you can just combine them to get the desired length that you're going for. So I think I'll demonstrate both ways. I'm not gonna make these perfect. I'm just doing a quick demo so you can get the idea of what I mean. If you want a little more detail of how to make the extensions, I have a video on that. I'll try to post it on the screen somewhere. I'll also link all of the products that I'm using, the finger protectors, the needles, and the bulk hair in the description box. I'm sorry if it sounds super loud in the background. We got the window open and it's like we're on the main street, so it's all the traffic. And it's like nothing but trucks going by right now. Yeah, typically this would be, you know, what you'll get with the 10-inch. So if you wanted to make a longer length, you can make another one, or just bring the ends together and keep going, like keep crocheting it, and then just keep repeating it until you get the desired length you want. So for this one, I'll just do it this way. And let's say you wanted to do 18, 20-inch extensions. I think you'll probably need about 5 packs of hair if you're doing like pencil size. About 5-6 packs, and that should get you about 100 locks. I always recommend about 80 to 100 locks for pencil size for a full head. So you're just building off the one you already made. And I know doing something like this is very time consuming, but it saves you a lot of money. And you can customize it to however you like. Even if you wanted to do different colors, you can just add on the different colors and crochet them on that way. Like I said, I'm not making this perfect. I'm just trying to show you, give you a general idea. So yeah, this is about 20 inches, 18 inches I'll say. So that's how you'll make the extended locks with the 10-inch kinky, bow kinky here. Like I said, I'll link everything that I used in the description box. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.